Hey everybody, welcome to the vlog. We are getting ready to go on a Mississippi boat tour. So let's go.
Okay, yes, we're going on this one, the old steamboat.
Thank you.
Or we could go on this one. But we're going on this. 14 days. Okay, I guess we're moving forward now in Minnesota. 49 years and never done this.
What'd you say?
I'm gonna get a tattoo of my
Is it like
skin
henna?
peeling back
No, it's like
and like machine parts underneath, like I'm a Terminator. My friend that said I was told she was here. Could I see her, please? I'll be back.
Hello. Hi. Welcome on. Thank you.
Hi.
Hello. Thank you.
I'm scared of heights. I mean, scared of water. Scared of boats. This is like a real live boat.
It's not a cruise ship like the Titanic.
Go up.
There's a captain.
Yep.
Film the cat.
There's the captain.
Going up top or down? Up. Up. Come on.
We get dinner.
No, it's just this one doesn't have a meal. There's a brunch one, but it's more. We can go below or stand right here because there's no more seats in there. So
I don't think she wants to stay in the
we can go
hotel.
through there.
I know.
We can stay up here.
The University of Minnesota campus. Right here, Elliott Hall. That's where Todd and I will go up to the 6th floor and play Starburst ball. Oh, it's Dragonfly.
At the back of the boat house all of our life jackets on board. Just need to know where those are. They're for emergencies. The right side of the boat, and then also down below where you first boarded the vessel boat, with a restroom on either side. We call those heads on board, and we'll get underway here shortly. We don't allow smoking, and we do narrate this trip, so just keep in mind that your side conversation allows the neighbor next to you to hear the narrations. And that being said, if you're having trouble hearing the narrations, just let a crew member know, and we'll adjust the volume for you. And we're all in uniform and have name tags on. And just don't hesitate to ask us any questions you might have throughout the cruise. We're going to be getting off the dock once I stop.
Filling or draining the water in this chamber, vessels are able to bypass the 25-foot high falls ahead of us. The lock is 56 feet wide by 400 feet long and contains 6 million gallons of water to full. The rate of filling and draining water is drained via internal chambers at the base of the lock walls. Brookfield Renewable Power has recently completed.
And start filling this chamber with about 6 million gallons of water, and that will rise us 25 feet in less than 10 minutes. And how they do this is there's a series of pipes that run through the lock walls connecting to the body of water in front of us. That's up above us. And they simply open valves, and this chamber fills with gravity alone. So there's no pumps used to fill the chamber. And right now you get a good look at how the front gate works. There's a hinge point with the gate sliding up and down in that track there with a chain on either of the gates for barge traffic. And we tie up to what's called a floating bullard. It actually floats up with us in the chamber, so we don't have to keep the
In its 19th century, comprised the largest direct drive water-powered boat nationwide and worldwide, thus giving Minneapolis the nickname the Mill City. In the first place, a number of companies that remain significant to this day, including General Mills, Pillsbury, Washburn Crosby, WCCO, and XL Energy East Steam Plant, also known as the Twin City Rapid Transit Company Steam Power Plant. That is a company.
As we're coming back into the lock, you'll notice all that foam piled up against the tanning gate, just to the left that happens in leaves. The same thing that turns leaves brown in the fall.
I think this would be faster than
Yeah, because
10th Avenue Bridge. So the bridge, this is the bridge just in front of us is I-35, and 10th Avenue is the older bridge that looks in need of some repair.
The vehicle, light rail traffic, and the upper enclosed deck used for pedestrians and bicycles. It is a utilitarian structure per day to use it. Arches reflecting the water with undeniable appearance.
so if we got somewhere near Franklin, we could probably find it. I'm guessing you can walk up.
And
somewhere over
last
there.
year they just completed a complete retrofit of the bridge. So it looks a lot better than it did in years past. I remember the condition of the 10th Avenue Bridge.
That's why you feel my back. Yeah. It's you. This one is left.
See like a
Music playing. It's hard. Try not to walk. Turn around. We're going back up the river.
This is really a cool trip. Do it again.
Okay.
How you guys doing? We almost made it to Minnehaha.
No, Daddy, I don't think Daddy should be out there.
Look, there's a bench and everything. You can sit.
Oh, you took my place.
We have to look at the video. Hey, I'm trying to. You want to try some?
On the way back to the dock, we went down as far as Franklin Street Bridge, and turned around, and now we're going back. We didn't even go to Lake Street.
We almost made it to Lake Street. That would have been awesome because the kids know the river, going down by the river with school trips. So that would have been fun to make it to that area of the Mississippi to see it from the water.
Can't see the building from the trees.
No. Oh, that girl, you preaching. You can't see the building from the trees. You better preach.
That was just a statement.
That was just a statement. It was not a preach. Can't see the building from the trees.
How you feeling, Paula? Good?
Hello. Welcome to the boat cruise. Oh, mama. Working on it.
Me too. Me too. Praise the Lord.
There's a river out there, guys.
Mississippi.
It's a river. We're moving on it.
That's a big one.
Lift him up. Oh, we're leaving?
Oh, I thought we were.
Hand in pocket? No. Hand in pocket.
This must be the exit.
42 of you and Christine.
Thank you.
Care. One of them started it. Hey, take care. Thank you.
Gotta get my land legs again.
Okay.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Have a good day. Thank you. Eyes open.
Right here is where Roman Atwood was just a couple blocks ago.
That's a lot of water, man. It's so weird, like you're just in the city and there's just a giant waterfall. We're gonna come down a little lower and try to find, try to get the waterfall from the bottom. It's pretty awesome. All right, not bad, not bad. It looks just like, I wanna like play here, you know, or like that cold water just.
That current is probably really moving.
It is. No doubt a cool area. So the waterfall runs off, goes under this bridge, and then it's just like this. It just looks like literally looks like something like if you had a.
Right in this very spot.
You can go those stairs over there and you can walk all the way down. And then a bridge. Some people go across the bridge.
Feel raindrops. Any ha-ha fall.
Just that whatever basic. $15. I'll get it.
Hey, we ran into my good friend Rock.
Now they still call it a riot in the neighborhood. No one, families who like, yeah, no one was killed.
I think it's amazing that nature made these steps for us to walk up. I mean, look at this. How do they get formed so evenly and uniformly shaped? It's just uncanny. It's one of the mysteries of the world, how these steps formed out of the rock like that. Rastina. It's amazing how these steps were formed out of the rock just perfectly in exact uniform shape and size and levelness.
And cement.
Yes.
Right, you know what to do then. Grandpa, you know that.
What you gonna go get him for?